So we have arrived in Luang Prabang in Laos. Not a bad journey, bit of kerfuffle actually getting in the country, but that's just a bit of bureaucracy, but all fine. Nice short trip from the airport, and this is our room, absolutely gorgeous. This used to be a prince's home, apparently. The Prince of Laos used to have this as his home, not just this room obviously, but the whole building. And it's beautiful, really old school, very colonial style, very lovely. The hotel itself, we've only briefly had a little look at it, but it looks awesome. And this is our balcony. I mean, check this out. Lovely. We've got a fan on the ceiling, which is lovely. And it basically overlooks all of that. That's the pool and the restaurant area. These are the gardens. It is just absolutely idyllic. It really is. We've been really lucky with the last couple of hotels we've stayed at. All the hotels on our trip have been great. But this one and the last one, really, really lovely. So hopefully the bed will be as comfortable. But yeah, this is where we're staying tonight. I think Maria's reasonably happy. Yeah, happy are we, darling? We'll find it, we'll find it. Oh, and we even get a little welcome message. Apparently that means welcome in Laotian, or Laotian, and robes. Yeah, absolutely lovely. So this is the start of our little Laos adventure. Lovely. Out of the hotel, and this is the first thing that greets us. We're just walking down to the night market, and it's just really pretty. I'm not even sure what this is. It's just in the middle of the road. There's obviously some fountains here that aren't on at the minute. But I have a feeling that Luang Prabang is going to be very pretty. And so we enter into the night market. Yeah, absolutely. Look at this lot. If you want to try anything, just go for it. Oh, chick chips.
Look at that crispy.
Oh, crispy. Oh my word.
Tender pork knuckle and rice. Oh.
Look at all the people. I mean, how cool is this? It's so cool. They got everything. I mean, pizza. Oh, they love banana pancakes. Oh, I love banana pancakes. Oysters, crabs. Oh, what's this? Oh, that little. Oh, look at them. Korean. Oh my God, Maria, look at this lot. Oh, they're beautiful, yeah. Just looking at the minute, but breakfast time. Rain stopped. And they do poached eggs, so Maria's happy. This is a bit of what we've got. Oh, look at this. This all looks lovely. Oh, lovely. Oh, yogurt and fruit. We've had that recommended as being superb, so we're going to have to try that. But I've got to say, it is lovely. And this is the setting. This is where we're sitting. So yeah, let's have some breakfast.
We're going to Kuang Si Waterfalls in a tuk-tuk. We got really good air conditioning today, and we're going to see the bears. So really looking forward to today. It should be really lovely, and we can get to see the scenery from here as well.
Yeah, definitely. I can see a bit up there. I don't know how well it will come out because it's still a bit misty, but the mountains up there, and I think that's kind of where we're heading. A bit of cloud over them. It's dry at the minute, but I think we're going to get some rain. But yeah, it should be a good day. Right, see you there. So we've arrived, we're very early. So basically, they're all still getting set up. At the minute, I think we're getting very lucky because everything I'd read had said how absolutely hammered with people this place gets. I think we might be the first two here. They haven't fully opened up here yet. I think the rain's put a few people off. So, yeah, it's still not raining at the minute. We're holding out for a bit of luck. Let's see what happens. This is the way up. Let's go have a look-see. We're here, we're through, we're on the walking trail, which looks lovely, and I think I can see a bear enclosure, Maria.
Yeah.
So, I think this is the main reason Maria's come all this way across the world. Never mind Vietnam, never mind Cambodia, never mind the waterfalls. It's all about the bears. They better be up. You watch, they're all asleep, and Maria's going to be a very upset lady. Here we go. Let's see what we've got. Which bear is Maria? Is she a brown bear? No, brown bears are bigger, Maria. Is she a polar bear? No, polar bears are bigger, Maria. Oh. I can't believe we're actually playing this game. Oh, I think we're getting down the bottom there. Yeah, that's more... Maria's definitely a panda bear. Just finding out what it's like to be a bear in that horrible cage they put them in. This is actually really good.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Four little things.
And that's her in the cage. Yeah, you wouldn't enjoy that much, would you, darling? That's amazing work they do here. It's great. But there's no bears here yet. First glimpse of the falls. Look at that one up there, Maria.
I know, how pretty is that?
Pretty special, isn't it, love? Well, as you go up, kinda just keeps getting better. So we come up from that one I just showed you, and then it comes up to this. And we walk down here, and I think this is the picnic area. Look at this. Oh, this is the swimming one, Maria. Because that's the rope that you jump off of. Oh, I think I'm going to have to, aren't I? Yeah, it does seem like the right time, doesn't it? I'm sure. Right, well, I better go swimming.
Oh. Neil's decided to go in.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I'm giving it a miss. Because it's really cold, and yes, and there's fishes in there apparently that nibble your feet.
Oh, the fish are nibbling my feet. Little buggers! Those fish didn't go to that.
Away and away!
Woo, that's cold.
He's got it all to himself. This is usually packed, but we've got here really early.
What a place to swim. On my own. Anyway, this is where I'm swimming. Hello. What a place to swim. You gonna get your feet wet, love? If you go down to the step, the fish will nibble your feet. They're doing it here, I can feel them, it's really weird. It's nice. Oh, let's go to the waterfall. There's Maria. And there's me. And that is the waterfall. Oh yeah. In the waterfall, baby. It's pushing me away. It's really cool. Oh, it's hard to say. The water's trying to push me away, but I love it. Oh, this is so cool. Can I go back a bit? Come on. So I've managed to get Maria to come in. Go on, they're little buggers. And I don't know if you can see it on here, but there are lots of little fish in here. And they are, they nibble your feet like those ones that clean you. But Maria's not sure, are you, love? Well, bless. They never stop, there's so many. And they're all so pretty, look.
Wow, look at that.
Just remarkable. I mean, hello. Wow. Just stunning. These waterfalls never stop giving. You turn a corner and you hit another bit and another bit. We're almost at the main bit. I can just see up here it's coming.
Oh, wow. I saw that in the picture now, I remember.
Yeah. Isn't it incredible? And if you go that path I told you about,
yeah.
See that ledge there?
Yeah.
That's a pool, and you can swim to the edge of that and look over the top. I mean, just look at this. Here's the top. Oh, and it's a bit calmer here. You can see the blueness more, Maria. Because it's a little bit calmer. I mean,
Oh, there's no one in now.
look at it, Maria.
Can you go down and get one? There's no one on the bridge.
Yeah, one second. We'll just finish taking that. Yeah. Oh, wow!
Got uno más chiquito. Oh, mira, mira, mira. You recording?
Yeah. You get some fans.
Y el chiquito, ¿cómo le da también?
They're having a proper scrap, aren't they?
Mira lo que es de grande. Es mucho más grande.
Oh my god, they're beautiful. Look at their teeth.
Yeah.
Están jugando, pero el chiquito ya no da más. Se quiere...
Qué linda piel tiene, ¿eh?
Oh, they're all cute though, aren't they? Look at them.
Mira, están cuidados.
Se va a enojar el chiquito.
That's it, we're finished now. Can get his own back now, look. They're like a couple of sumos. That's amazing.
God, they're amazing. God, I've waited all this time. Oh, there's another one coming down the back.
Oh, yeah, oh yes. Cute.
He's big or she's big.
It's like a wrestling match the way they fight. Oh, he's got pointy face, this one. Is he going to join in, or is he just going to let him get on with it? Oh, oh. He's panting. He's like, I'm knackered.
They're fighting?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So funny. They're going to go again, you. Here they go.
Let's come here, guys. They're playing together, guys.
They're all having a bit of a sleep in there. He's having a bit of a forage. And we've got 2 more over there having a sleep as well. So they're all taking it pretty easy. Except for the ones we just came from, who were beating 10 tons out of each other. Oh, he's having a sniff. Happy to see him, Maria?
Oh yeah, waited a long time for this.
Yep, Maria cried, as expected. This is the 2nd time this holiday. We're doing well this holiday. Cheers. So, we are on our way back from the Kuang Si Falls and seeing the bears. We've got ourselves a cheeky little beer lao. We're back in our tuk-tuk. It's actually a van. And we are heading along the most potholed roads in the whole of Southeast Asia. And we are having a wicked time. And it's been an amazing morning. There's got beer. Cheers, but it is. Yeah, what a day. Look at that scenery behind Maria. It's just been amazing. And the temperature is just lovely today. It's called right now. It's just a nice warm, I think it's about 26 degrees, which is just perfect. And yeah, wonderful stuff. So we're sitting there enjoying our beers and enjoying the Laotian or Laotian countryside and really tired and enjoying things. So cheers, guys. Cheers. Here's to the Kuang Si Falls and the bears. Cheers. Wow. In Vietnam, foolishly, we didn't buy a conical hat because we thought we could get them in Laos, because they do wear them in Laos. But it turns out nobody sells them in Laos. So I've just seen a shop. I've had to walk about a mile down the road in blistering heat to get a conical hat, but I got one. Here it is. And it was a long walk to get the damn thing, but we got it. And but look at the views. It's not a bad road to be walking on. It is stunning here. Sun has come out now, and yeah, it's looking rather beautiful. There's some kind of temple over the back there. I'm not sure what that one is, but it looks quite special actually. And oh, everything here looks quite special, to be honest. But yeah, anyway, I have a conical hat for the grand sum of 50,000 kip, which I think is about £2. I'm going to check that when I get in. I might find I got that wrong and I've paid a fortune, but I'm pretty sure it was about £2. And yeah, main thing is we got it. Now we've just got to try and get it all the way home on a plane, which should prove interesting. There you go. See if my wife's at the pool. If she's not, she'll be back in the room. Let's have a look. There she is. So we're just on our way for a bit of a sunset Mekong cruise. I'm walking along the riverbank and found this rather lovely little bar, the T56 Cafe and Bar. So we stopped for a smoothie and a Coke. It's very hot, but it's rather beautiful. And I don't know if you can see out the back. I mean, look at that bamboo over there. It's bonkers. An incredible width of the river. It's lovely. Really stunning. Love it. And Maria seems to be enjoying her smoothie, by the way. There's hardly anything left. This is our sunset Luang Prabang cruise on a ship called Copper. And so far, well, look at that. Maria's looking rather chill. Alright there, dear. I don't think we're the only boat going out for the sunset tonight, but I think we're the best boat going out for the sunset, that's for sure. It's a really lovely boat. Just look at how lush and green that is. It is just stunning. Wow. The bar area. Some of the local kids, we're out on our cruise and there's some of the local kids just gone in for a swim. And I don't blame them. It's bloody hot. Okay, so we've gone upriver and now we're turning into the sunset. Me and Maria got a nice little spot here. Hopefully we'll be looking towards the sunset as the sun goes down. And there we go. Turning into that. Oh. Don't. I'll get done for rights if you sing it. They'll think it's the real thing.
No, it's the Beatles.
Oh, you're too proud. Too proud to be good for yourself, that. And there we go. We're kind of all done and we're now coming back in, I think. So the sun's gone down, it's getting dark. All the little cafes along the edge are all lit up, which looks lovely. And, yeah, we're just heading back in. So that was an absolutely lovely little cruise. That thoroughly enjoyed that. Temperature's just nice now. Good end to the day, that really. I'm going to wander back through the night market. Got to get a few bits, a bit for the loose and a few other bits and bobs. Only got one more day left here, so we'll try and get the last of our bits today. So we can have a chill out. Got elephants tomorrow, so Maria's very excited for that. So yeah, that's our plans for the rest of the night. All good.